Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tarot with Donna. I'm so excited you have joined me today because we are about to dive into your 2025 year ahead tarot reading. Can you feel the excitement in the air? I sure can. 2025 is a year that brings in so many possibilities, and I can't wait to see what's in store for you. But first, let's take a moment to talk about the energy of the year. 2025 is connected to the planet Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and abundance. This is going to be a year that's all about relationship, creativity, and personal growth. Venus brings a soft, nurturing energy. So, if you have been working on healing or opening your heart, this could be a transformative year for you. Think of it as a time to manifest your dreams, attract abundance, and make those connections that will truly resonate with your soul. It's a year of love in all the forms: romantic, self love, and love for life itself. With Venus influencing the energy of the year 2025, could bring out your creative side, making it a perfect time for new artistic projects, starting a new relationship, or deepening your existing connections. Relationships of all kinds will feel more harmonious, and this could be a year when love blooms into your life. Now, let's dive into your 2025 tarot reading and see what the cards have in store for your love, career, and life as a whole. Trust me, I'm feeding some amazing energy here. And I just know that this year is going to be full of new opportunities and positive shifts. What's coming in 2025? Take a deep breath and let's explore everything that's what waiting for you in this Venus influenced year. I can already sense there are exciting things coming your way in love, career, and personal growth. Let's jump in and let's talk love. Love is definitely on the cards for 2025. With Venus as the guiding planet, it's the year of new romantic connections and the deep emotional bonds. If you're single, I'm feeling that someone special could be coming into your life. Someone who truly aligns with your heart and soul. Whether it's a soulmate, a twin flame, or just an amazing connection, love is flowing towards you. For those in relationship, this is a year of growth and harmony. If there have been any misunderstanding or challenges, expect them to heal. You will experience deeper emotional intimacy, more quality time together, and a stronger connection. Venus bring romance, so get ready for some sweet moments ahead. Let's see what's happening in your career this year. Big shifts and opportunities. These are the two words popping in my head for career. 2025 is bringing some amazing opportunities your way. With Venus influencing this year, it's not just about money, my dear, but also about finding fulfillment in your work. I'm sensing new projects, collaborations, and possibly even a promotion or a new position for you. If you have been thinking of switching careers or exploring a new venture, this is the year to take action, okay? 2025 could also bring new financial opportunities. And I'm heavily seeing growth in this area, especially if you have been putting in the effort to manifest wealth. It's a great time to invest in your future, whether that's through learning new skills, taking certifications, starting a side hustle, or simply improving your financial habits. I can see a lot of book readers. Yes, let's talk about life in general. 2025 is going to be a year of personal transformation. Venus is all about beauty, harmony, and self love. So expect some deep changes in how you see yourself and your place in the world. This could be a time when you start feeling more confident, empowered, and at peace with who you are. Life in general, I'm seeing big shifts happening, especially if you have been working on healing, whether it's physical, emotional, or spiritual. This year is going to reward you for all your hard work, okay? Whether it's letting go of past fears, taking up new opportunities, or just finding balance in your life. 2025 is the year to take the next big step in your personal journey. What's next? I hope you are as excited as I am because 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year of growth, love, and abundance. With Venus influencing the energy of the year, expect new beginnings, harmony in relationship, and plenty of opportunities to shine. I'm seeing a lot of people, being rewarded and recognized for their hard work and the effort they have put in. And yeah, celebration, I can say. So, this is your year to bring the change, accept the change, take risk, and most importantly, believe in yourself, okay? Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting 2025 year ahead tarot reading. I can feel the positive energy already. If you enjoyed this reading, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tarot with Donna for more tarot insights and guidance. And let's make 2025 your best year yet. Sending you tons of love, prosperity, and light for the year ahead. Thank you so much for joining. Bye for now.